What's up guys, John LaPointe here.
Rick Lima.
From LaPointe Insurance. Today we're visiting Northpointe Bank at 1 Turk's Head Place in Providence.
We're gonna go see the guys, we're gonna see what's their why do they get up and kill it every day, and what advice do they have for first-time homebuyers?
Matt Reznick, Northpointe Bank. My why, first and foremost, is my daughter Ava, my wife Stephanie, and my newborn that's on the way late in May. Beyond that, I want to help as many people as possible, both professionally and personally. On the professional side, I want to help as many people as possible achieve the ultimate goal of homeownership. My advice to first-time homebuyers would be, think about your team. When you're a first-time homebuyer out there, you're going to interview multiple mortgage companies, multiple real estate agents, multiple insurance agents, potentially multiple attorneys. You're building your team that's going to be representing you throughout the process, that's going to be guiding you through every step of the way, and this team of experts you're going to have to rely on and hold their expertise higher than anybody else, and everything they say has to be trusted. So you're building your trusted team of professionals to guide you to the finish line.
Hi, my name's Justin Conrad, your favorite loan officer. I'm with Northpointe Bank Providence. I've been with the Northpointe team for just over a year now. Great experience. We have a great support staff, awesome loan officer assistants, and just overall great culture here. My why is real simple. I grew up the oldest of 6 boys on a 1-income household, and my parents really had to work towards home ownership. It took them a while to reach that point. As a matter of fact, I was about 17 when that happened, almost out of the house. That's around the time when I started my career in the business, and really ignited that passion and that fire to help other families achieve that dream, see them at the closing table with a big smile. So that's really my why. So my advice for first-time buyers is simple. Not every situation is the same, so what applies to another person may not apply to you. So the best piece of advice that I can give is to pick up the phone, call an experienced professional lender, preferably myself, have your questions answered, and find out exactly if that dream of home ownership is achievable for you and how quickly you can get there. I've had many families call me, individuals thinking that they were months, maybe years away from home ownership, and within 60 days they found their dream home and were at the closing table. So again, pick up the phone, call your favorite loan officer today, and let's see if we can get you on that path towards home ownership.
Hola, mi nombre es Jonathan Agudelo de Northpointe Bank aquí en Providence. Y yo hago lo que hago todos los días, lo de las hipotecas, porque me encanta saber que estoy ayudándole a las familias a meterse en su casa nueva, de pronto su primer casa, o a veces si están comprando para invertir. Es ayudándole a la gente a realizar un sueño que muchos hemos tenido toda la vida. Para mí eso es el mejor regalo que uno le puede dar a la gente, y a mí yo tengo la suerte de poder hacer esto todos los días. My advice to a first-time home buyer would always be to find out exactly how much you have in debt. And in that sense being, having somebody like myself or one of the many people I work with pull your credit, see where you're at, and see how much you can really afford. Because it's not, we base it on your gross income, but a lot of the time, you know how much you take home, and we don't see that on the paper. We don't see that on our computer. So I say, see what you really have for debts, and you yourself know how much you really bring home and how much you can actually pay monthly. And I think working with the right team will help you maximize that, so you can buy the best property for you that works the best for you, that you can really afford.
My name is Sean McGowan with Northpointe Bank. I'm a loan officer here. Been in the business for 22 years, a long time, pretty much my entire working career. This is a great career to be in. What other career can you choose? But I can provide for my family and at the same time put a family into a home. This is a great career to be in for a loan officer. I get to come to work every day. Yes, we work hard. It's a challenging position, but at the end, the goal, make the American dream happen for a client, is to put a client into their first home, see the happy face at the closing table when we hand them the keys, and let them move on to happily ever after in their new home. There are wonderful products out there for first-time home buyers, particularly in Rhode Island. And the key to being a first-time home buyer is organization. Make sure your credit is where it needs to be. Get those cash reserves in the bank to the point where your loan officer is told you to do so. Make sure that your income and your documents are clear. Have patience, trust your loan officer, and the deal will get done.